Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday so far. Today is November 4th, and on this post, we're going to be talking about the overall crypto markets, Bitcoin price action, total altcoin market cap, and of course, Yearn Finance itself, YIFIUSD, and how that's being affected by the overall markets potentially. I'm going to be sharing my bullish case and bearish case scenarios for Wi-Fi, and my short-term price prediction is, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Now, if you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. Please do also read my disclaimer below, as I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, so you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing. If you guys do want to support me and don't really have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link in the video description section below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign up, and I will also receive bonus stocks upon a successful sign up, so I truly appreciate that. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them only in the comment section below. I will not get to all the messages in my inbox, but let me know what you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my opinion and analysis on those symbols. Now let's take a look at the overall crypto markets. The first thing I like to look at is Bitcoin dominance, because that tells me a lot of the story on what exactly is going on in the market as a whole. So we are seeing Bitcoin dominance currently at about 64.7%, and we had a run up to about almost 65%, and now we're experiencing a slightly pullback. Okay, so whenever we are seeing Bitcoin dominance trending up on the macro level, I don't expect too many amazing runs happening in altcoins. The best case scenario for altcoins, if Bitcoin dominance is trending up, is that it's barely only gonna be trailing the move of Bitcoin as a whole. Total altcoins will be trailing Bitcoins as a whole. Now, for any specific altcoins in particular, that may be a different story, but I'm just talking about total altcoins as a whole. So, in the worst case scenario is if Bitcoin price action actually drops, you could expect to see total altcoin market cap to drop by even more when Bitcoin dominance is trending up. So either scenarios, not too amazing for altcoins. Bitcoin price action, I have mentioned that I did expect for it to run above 14K, and does, so that will contribute to Bitcoin dominance trending upwards. Now, on total altcoin market cap, we are at about 142 billion, but we are still above that magical level I've been talking about, in my opinion, which is the weekly 21 simple moving average. So on the macro level, I still think total altcoin market cap and total altcoins in general are still on an uptrend, even though even we had a pretty extensive pullback for the past 2 months. Now let's take a look at Yearn Finance itself, YIFIUSD. Currently we're about 8,500, and we have broken down from a head and shoulders bearish pattern, like I have been mentioning in my past post. Now, the neckline of that was about 21,000, and the measured target of the breakdown of this pattern is pretty crazy. It could be off the charts, which it could take us all the way down below $100. Do I think this could happen? Well, theoretically, it could happen, even though it's pretty crazy. But we are going to have to take a look at some of the past trading history to see where we can get a potential bounce and maybe turn this price action around in an uptrend. So currently, we are about 8,500, and that is basically where in the range of the past resistance was. If you take a look at this very first green wick right here, the past resistance was around the range of about 8,500. So we could see a potential bounce from here, but let's see if that bounce actually is pretty significant or not. But if this support level does not hold, the next support level I'm actually looking at would be about where these candles are. So the previous resistance was about 5,900, about the 6,000 range. If 6,000 does not hold, so in that range does not hold, I do see about 5,300, and then 4,900. So in the range of about 5,000, and finally this very long red candle right here with the wick, which is about 3,500. So that is going to be the last level of support that we will see, that we can get a potential bounce from the past trading history. Now, if we don't actually get a bounce at these levels, then I'm actually going to have to pull out a trend line and actually see where we can actually get a potential bounce from there. But that would be off the past trading history that we actually have, and that would not be good news. That is the bearish case scenario. Now let's take a look at the bullish case scenario. The bullish case scenario, let's take a look at the daily charts. Now, since we have broken down from this head and shoulders pattern, we have not been able to close above the daily 21 simple moving average, which is the blue line right here, currently at about 12,500. If we can actually get above this 21 simple moving average on the daily, that would be the first confirmation that signals we could be turning around. But we have to get above this this daily 21 simple moving average to potentially change my opinion. So that is the bullish case scenario. And I have mentioned the bearish case scenario. And of course, we're going to be keeping an eye out on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action itself. That, in my opinion, affects a lot of the altcoins. I've seen a lot of bullish altcoin setups just getting destroyed or not going as far as they should have in the past 2 months while trying to trade them. But that is while Bitcoin dominance is trending up. So that is something I would not be ignoring. You guys let me know what you think. Let me know your feedback. I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know if you found this post helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you next time.